Welcome to the Stealth Hitch install video. I'm going to be installing a stealth hitch on my 2016 BMW X5 Hybrid. I ordered the hitch, going to be installing it myself. So this is not meant to be a super in-depth video. I was inspired to do this by Edward M. Cars, who did an excellent in-depth install video on this. So you guys can check that out. He has way more information than I'm going to have in this video, but I'm going to do a little time lapse, throw in my own thoughts, little things I saw that were different from my particular install. But if you want more information, definitely check out his video. And here we go. Enjoy. Alright guys, so here's my first little mistake in removing the reflector. I had to push up on this center part and I snapped that bit off. So you have to put pressure on this and that center part, but just put easy pressure on that and the whole thing comes out easy. I was able to get the other one off just fine, but this was the first one. So there's the bit, and I should be able to crazy glue that back. So that's what I'm gonna do. So my time-lapse camera died at this point. Where we are is we're just in the process of doing everything in reverse. I'm just getting the hitch itself bolted on. Did have a little bit of a problem with this guy being slightly out of alignment, so I had to bang on it with a mallet to straighten it out a little bit. But other than that, it fits well. Say hey. Here's where we are with it. Just got electrical all wrapped up. Definitely the hardest part of this. I'll show you a little bit. Not the neatest cable management. And I ran this guy. Just tied it up to there. So here we are, all done and back together. Alright, so here is the beam that I removed that the tow hitch replaces. Tow hitch is under there now. Now I was looking at it, and that side is different from that side. I was thinking, what does that do? And looked at the bumper. It's right behind that cover, which means it's for this guy, the towing eye. That means that this is something that you lose with the tow hitch. The tow hitch does not have a place for this. That's fine with me. All that means is that I'm gonna get something to put in the hitch that I can pull this thing with if I ever need to. Still need this because you have the one on the front bumper over there. But yeah, this is not something that you can use in the rear anymore with the tow hitch. And I know some of you are wondering, hey, why does he have a brand new tire in the back of the car? Well, subscribe and you get to find out next video. So final thoughts. Thought the install went really well. The instructions say it takes about 2.5 hours. Took me about 6, and it was definitely a 2-person job. Could not have done it without the help of my son. so he was pretty great there. And yeah, that's it. If you have liked this, if you have enjoyed it, if you found it at all informative, please like, please subscribe. This is a brand new channel. I'm doing this for fun, but yeah, please like and please subscribe. See you next time.